Okay. Okay. Hello, Ms. Harayati. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Our group right now we will presentate about an analysis of social classes and its impact in Crazy Rich Asian novel by Kevin Kwan. It's taken from Talenta, Universitas Sumatera Utara, Link Poet article. But before our presentation start, let us introduce ourselves first.
My name is Adista Fitri Novianti.
My name is Intan Pauline Marbun.
My name is Radwa Zarni Nafisa.
My name is Ramal Muhammad.
And let us start our presentation. Start with overview. Here, we will explain about introduction, methodology, finding and result, discussion, and conclusion. First, let my friends Radwa will explain about the introduction first. Radwa, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Intan. So here I'm going to explain the introduction based from the article that we analyze. So we focus on social class as a social factor in Crazy Rich Asians. This research from the article focus on the social class in in the novel Crazy Rich Asians. It aims to explore how class differences influence the characters' behavior, relationships, and their life choices. Also, this article uses the theory of Max Weber, 1864, where they are divided into three social class. There are upper class, middle class, and lower class. By this gap of social classes, it shapes the mindset of upper class families to often leading their rejection of individual from lower social background. Also, the objective of this research is to understand how social status if affects the storyline in the novel, particularly in terms of family acceptance, romantic relationship, and personal values. Now, let's talk about the methodology. Adista, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Radwa. The writer used qualitative method to analyze this novel. The reason why the writer used qualitative method is because qualitative research is a scientific method of observation to gather non-numerical data. Based on Hancock et al. 2009, page 6, said that qualitative descriptive is a kind of research method focuses on description and interpretation concerned with developing explanations of social phenomena. The writer takes two types in process collecting the data. The two types of data collection in doing this research are primary data and secondary data. In analyze the data, the writer uses library research and applied the qualitative descriptive method. The writer interprets the Crazy Rich as a novel based on their social classes and their aspect in postmodernism. To complete the process of data analysis, the writer makes a conclusion and summarizes in the end. And next slide will be explained by
Okay, next slide will be explained me.
Nala.
Thank you, Adista. This slide finding ourselves and has to discuss first one social class difference and the impact of social classes. And social class difference has two types. First one upper class and the middle class. And the impact from real life or relationship and education. Okay, we go into the next slide again. Okay, we discussed the upper class and there has quotation. I will read. Uh, well, first of all, you must understand that there are two kind of Chinese. They are the Chinese from mainland China who made their fortune in the past decade like all the Russian, but then there are overseas Chinese. These are the ones who left China long before communists came, in many cases hundreds of years ago, and spread through the rest of Asia. Widely amassing great fortune over time, if you look at countries in Southeast Asia, especially Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, you will see that virtually all the commerce is controlled by the overseas Chinese, like the lands in Indonesia, the trans in the Philippines, the leons in blah blah blah. Let me just say this. We visited Astor's family a few years ago. You can imagine how strangely rich these people are. Mary Helen, the houses, the survive, the style in which they live. It makes the Aronos look like vision what's more I've been so. So thus Astrid is double heirs. There's an even more enormous fortune on her mother's side by Kevin Kwan, 2030-46. Okay, the writer mentioned quotation, credit ASEAN portrait ASEAN families of Chinese Singapore descent will inherit generational wealth. They belong to the upper class as a Londoners and has the great fortune. There are two types of wealthy Chinese in ASEAN. First one, Peranakan Chinese and mainland Chinese. Their wealth has been accumulated over many years. Okay, we're going to the next slide. And this slide, we have middle class and the poor ASEAN. I was in my final years of secondary school and working nights as a waiters in the only bars in our village. So that is how I met him. Kevin Kwan, 2000, let's see. Which were just closet the deal of the big house on Laurel Glen Drive. Yes, I broke last year of this record. You see, I know I made the right decision to join Miami Sands at the Los Altos office by Kevin Kwan, 2051. And the writer mentioned it. Ranger Asian as a bitter character from the middle class who do not pass generation well, but live independently throughout their work. One example is Kai Chu, a social mothers who comes from an ordinary Chinese family in Guangdong. Okay, the next slide will be explained by Intan Paulin. Intan Paulin, it's your time. Hello, Intan, it's your time.
Okay, Ramalam, thank you. Okay, but here the presentation, the PPT is not working. Wait. Okay, but let me explain about the impact of social classes. Here, in social classes also has an impact because every human difference will make one human with another human has a different level. Because of the inequality that most people who feel themselves are more powerful, so they cannot accept the others to enter their families. In this Crazy Rich Asian novel, the writer gets a lot of impact from the existing story. Inequality of social classes makes separation in the household, unfair treatment of the lower classes, always curious about the relationship of others, and educational groups that really have to be accepted in families that are in line with the upper classes. Okay, here we're talking about the family life and relationship. In this case, we can see from the quotation here, I just got the dossier on Rachel Chu from the private Beverly Hills, who Mabel Kwok recommended. Do you want to know what it says? You hired a private investigator to check up on this girl? Of course I did. We know nothing about this girl, and everyone is already talking about her and Nikki. In these cases, people from the upper class often find it hard to accept those from other social classes They believe others might try to take their wealth, so they tend to limit their children's interaction with people outside their class. Every family must have a conflict, so the conflict can come from between individuals or between families, and the conflict also come from between classes. People who have the classes are usually difficult to accept people who are not in their class. Next is education. In this Crazy Rich Asian novel, Eleanor Young also looked down on Rachel Chu's education, although Rahel lectures in a place that is famous and can make her to be a professor. She is very smart and accomplished, Auntie Elle. I think you will like her. Oh, so she's the brainy type like Nikki. Yes, definitely. I'm told she's one of the up-and-coming professor in her field. Eleanor was nonplussed. A professor. Nikki was dating a professor. Oh my, was this woman older than him? Nikki didn't tell me what her specialty was. Oh, economic development. A cunning, calculating older woman. This was sounding worse and worse. Did she got did she go to university in Europe? Eleanor pressed on. No, she went to Stanford in California. Yes, yes, I know Stanford, Eleanor said, sounding unimpressed. It's that school in California for those people who cannot get into Harvard. It's Kevin Kwan 28, 13, page 47. People at the top overestimate lower class race, but school isn't about status. It's about learning and growing to connect with others. The views of people at the top has the impact of the education of social groups, where a child must really get a good education. In this novel, Eleanor Young also looked down on Rachel Chu's education. As long as someone can be educated and learn, that makes them have broad insights and make them able to socialize with those around them, so they're good. So for the conclusion of our presentation for this analysis article is drawn from the research problem and the findings of the analysis. This study reveals the presence of two distinct social classes represented in the Crazy Rich Asian novel, the upper class and the middle class. The novel explores the life of Peranakan Chinese and mainland Chinese communities, emphasizing the social class distinction and their consequential impact on the characters' life and experiences. Here is the reference that taken, and yeah. Radwa, may you close the presentation, please?
Okay, so thank you, Ms. Haryati. Thank you, friends, for explaining it. That is all from our analyzing based on the article of an analysis of social classes and its impact in Crazy Rich Asians. I hope it goes well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.